Okay, for 62, they give us a scenario. They're selling pizza slices and burritos. So first we need our let statements. So let P represent the number of pizza slices sold, right? And let, what's the other, burrito, B represent the number of burritos sold, right? Okay, so there's our let statement. So it says the number of pizza slices sold, so P, was 20 less than, so something minus 20, twice the number of burritos, so 2B minus 20, right? Okay, so there's one equation. And then it says pizza sold for $2.50, burritos sold for $3, the cafeteria collected a total of $3.58. Okay, so that means 2.5 times the number of slices of pizza plus $3 for times the number of burritos comes out to $358. Wow, that's a lot of burritos and pizza slices. Okay, so there's our system. So that's part A, right? A is done, right? And then B, they want us to solve. So I would say that the way these are set up, I could just easily substitute that right in there and use substitution. So I'm going to do that. So 2.5 times P, but instead it's 2B minus 20, plus 3B equals 358. So 2.5 times 2 is 5B. 2.5 times 20 is 50 minus 50, right? Plus 36 equals 358. So we have 5B negative 50 plus 36 is minus 14 equals 358. Then we add 14, so we get 5B equals 372. Oh, wait, I made a mistake here. Okay, and you probably saw it, but I didn't see it until just now when it didn't seem like it was working. Let's go back to here. And the reason I'm not starting the video over is because we make mistakes, right? You need to realize. So this B right here looked like a 6, right? But it's not, it's a B. Okay, so this becomes 5B minus 50 plus 3B, not 36, equals 358. So now we have 5B and 3B as 8B minus 50 equals 358. We add 50 to both sides, right? I'm going to come up here. So we get 8B equals 408. And we divide both sides by 8, and we get B equals 51, right? 8 times 5 is 40 and 1, so 51. So B comes out to be 51. And then P, right, we can come up to this one right here and substitute in. So we get P equals 2 times 51 minus 20. P equals 102 minus 20. P equals 82. So it says, determine how many pizza slices were sold. 82 pizza slices. And you should write were sold, but I'm kind of running out of room there.